Hello everyone, hope everyone is having a blessed day. Welcome back to my channel. For today's project, I'll be making a jewelry box. But for my jewelry box, I'll be using some stackable organizing drawers that I got at my dollar store. I'm also going to be using some napkin rings. These are plastic. I will be using some adhesive mirrors for my jewelry box. I'm also going to be painting my organizer, the storage box, with spray paint. This is a candy pink gloss. I'm going to be spraying that. I will be using some of my diamond bling wrap and also my flowers wrap that I got from Amazon. Okay, after spray painting with my candy pink, this is how they're looking. I'm loving it because it has a glass to it, so it's looking phenomenal. I will be gluing my napkin rings to the bottom of the storage container because I'm going to use it as my riser. I'll be using my E6000 too. Also hot glue to glue it on. After gluing my risers at the bottom, I'm gonna go ahead and glue them the two containers together. So I'm gonna use my E6000 and my hot glue to glue them together like this. And instead of using 6 risers, I'm only gonna use just 4 of the napkin rings. After that, I'm gonna put on my adhesive mirrors. I'm gonna use some of my hot glue so that it stays into place. It does have some thick glue, but I love putting some hot glue on it so that it stays in place. If you're new to my channel, it's such a pleasure to have you. Before you sign off, if you could hit the subscribe and also to hit the notification bell so that you can be alert whenever I have a new video out, so that you don't miss out on anything on one of these awesome wow videos that I'm doing. If you're already subscribed, appreciate you. Love you all. Thank you for your support. Okay. Now there's a plastic on top of our adhesive mirror. I'm gonna take those off now, because now we're gonna put our third jar. So this is what we're going for. So I'll be using some E6000 and my hot glue to put this on. Make sure where I need it to join. Hold on to it for a little bit so that the hot glue can just... The E6000 is going to take a while, but the hot glue will dry as soon as you put it down. You can hold it in place until the E6000 is all dry. Just want to get it straight. All right, I'll be using my diamond wrap to cover put on the back of my storage, just to cover where it joins. There's some thread when you cut your bling wrap. There's gonna be some thread hanging off. If you want to just cut those off, because when you're finished, you don't want to see it and just hanging off the diamond wrap. So before you put it on, just trim it up. Right, so we have diamond wrap to all the sides, to the back, and right beside where we have the adhesive mirrors, put a little diamond bling wrap there also, where the storage is joined right here. I'm using my diamond wrap also to cover so that the glue is not showing. You gotta be very careful not to try not to lock, because I have to put it where it joins, because you don't want to close, because if you glue the drawers in, then we can't get our storage to work. I have to be very careful, because she wants to use it for jewelry, so I have to put it at the bottom where they join, so she will be able to open Remember with that we have a big giveaway on Instagram. So in the description below, you're going to see my Instagram page name. If you want to go on that, we do have a big giveaway. So you can go and check that out to see if you can win that. Here is our final touch. Here we go. We have 3 draws. I want to thank everyone for tuning in to one of my projects. Appreciate you all. Do have a blessed day.